Welcome to Dole America, recognized worldwide for innovation and quality in high loader manufacturing for ground support equipment. Our vehicles deliver catering, cleaning, assistance for passengers with reduced mobility. Today, we'd like to take a behind-the-scenes look at our production facility here in Grove City, Pennsylvania. The United States is the most attractive market for airport equipment. Dole America combines local expertise with modern manufacturing standards to meet your specific requirements, quickly, reliability, and close to your location. Our production line is designed to deliver your vehicles with the highest precision, on schedule, so you don't risk downtime. We use American chassis, robust, durable, and perfectly suited for the daily challenges of airport operations. Every assembly step is carried out by experienced professionals for vehicles that will perform reliability, but not just today, for many years to come. Our team combines decades of experience with state-of-the-art technology to provide you with a product that speeds up your process and lowers your operating costs. Mounting the body onto the chassis is a decisive moment. This is where the foundation is laid for the vehicle's long service life and smooth operation. Step by step, an empty chassis becomes a dependable high loader, ready for service exactly when you need it. Dole stands for expertise, quality, and service, right in your neighborhood. Our goal is to deliver top performance exactly when it matters most. Every product undergoes rigorous quality assurance before it leaves our facility, so it works reliable for you from day one. Our commitment to quality is recognized through international certifications. Our employees take pride in every single vehicle that leaves our facility, knowing it will perform vital work at airports around the world. Every finished vehicle is a promise. Your passengers and your cargo will reach their destination safely and on time. Our products are in operations worldwide, helping to make airport processes more efficient and secure. Our customers value the reliability and performance of our equipment and the confidence it gives them in their daily operations. We build vehicles of tomorrow with qualities that set the standard, from Pennsylvania to the rest of North America, for smooth operations and the customer's success.